Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have a NASCAR Thundix from the 2019 Wave 5 of the NASCAR 187 Diecast. We have Michael Annett's 2019 cars. His regular version, his normal diecast, his normal paint scheme, which is his primary paint scheme, and his Jeff Gordon throwback scheme. Here's the back, his Junior Motorsports, because he raced for Junior Motorsports, his simple number 1 logo, and his throwback number 1 logo. Let's get this car. Let's get both of them out of the box. So here are both cars. Let's start with Michael Annett's Pilot car, his regular Pilot car. So obviously the Pilot and Flying J logo, the simple number 1. On the side, Flying J, the simple number 1 is always in NASCAR. Obviously, Chevy Camaro. Sorry about that somehow. That weird noise. Red line, red number 1 on the side. White number 1 on top. Yellow line, Pilot Flying J covered by a camera. On top too with the Pilot Flying J. Red on the hood, mostly white with some red and yellow streaks. And that's it for this car. Let's move on to his Michael Annett's Baby Ruth car. Now this is to represent Jeff Gordon. And Jeff Gordon drove the number 1 car before he got signed to Hendrick Motorsports and raced a 24 throughout his whole career. But this is the car he usually started out with. So obviously Baby Ruth was Jeff Gordon's sponsor, but here Michael Annett is using this sponsor as a throwback. You can see his Pilot Flying J logo here. Also it says there's free Baby Ruth that is offered in the Pilot Flying J app because it is a type of candy. Obviously, and it looks a lot like Jeff Gordon's car, which is pretty nice. So here's the full 360 view. And that is it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.